What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are about to crack into this S1000RR M package with this week's whip check. A lot of you already know about the new 2020 S1000RR, but for those of you who don't, do a quick rundown. For 2020, they completely redesigned the S1000RR, which is their top-of-the-line leader bike. So BMW has, from the ground up, bottom to top, left to right, redesigned this bike. It has a new motor, new bodywork, new everything. There's basically two parts that carry over between last generation and this generation, and that is the fuel filler cap and the rear caliper. Everything else is brand new. The new engine in this bike has variable valve timing as well as a counter-rotating crank and is good for 205 horsepower. 205 horsepower coming out of the factory and is 434 pounds wet. That's with oil, that's with gas, that's ready to ride. That is crazy horsepower to weight ratios. This bike also has a system called Shift Assist Pro. What that is clutchless upshift and downshift. So when you're ripping through the gears, you don't even have to pull in that clutch. You just bang, bang, bang up through the gears, bang, bang, bang back down through the gears. This bike also has top-of-the-line electronics that help keep you safe while you're out on the ride. It's got traction control and ABS, both of which are dynamic. So what that is it's not only taking into account the rudimentary wheel speed differentials, but it's taking into account your throttle position, your brake position, your lean angle, your pitch, and your yaw. So this bike is doing its dangest to keep you safe. It also has wheelie control, launch control, and a pit limiter for all you track rats. But let's dig into what is a beautiful bike that is absolutely dripping with carbon and accessories. To keep the wind off of you, you've got a Puig windscreen. These mirror block-offs are truly sweet. They are a titanium, that's right, a titanium mirror block-offs from Sinister CNC. You've got a Rhizoma fluid cap right here. Evotech slider for your axles, keep you off the ground. Evotech is also doing protection under here with a nice radiator cover. Evotech frame slider. It's got a rear axle slider and spool from Evotech. You've got the Gilles Tooling fully adjustable rear sets, as well as the passenger peg block-off. The Gilles system works with the factory Shift Assist Pro module. You can do regular shift or GP shift. Putting all that power to the ground, a 3D chain. And this is the NRC tail tidy with integrated taillight and blinkers. Rhizoma engine oil filler cap. We've also got Pro Bolt titanium sprocket nuts. These are tech spec snake skins. And we've got a Louis Moto custom seat on this bad boy. And this is a Moto Gadget M-View glassless mirror. It is highly polished aluminum, so there ain't no glass in that. That thing, yeah, that thing's loud. That is the CRT exhaust from SC Project with the titanium screen in carbon. Yeah, carbon. There's carbon all over this thing. Feeding that SC Project CRT is a set of fully titanium Akrapovic headers. It's got all kinds of Ilmberger carbon. This piece, carbon. Carbon. That's carbon too. That piece, carbon. Yeah, carbon. 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 Yeah, carbon. Carbon. Carbon too. Also carbon. Carbon. Yeah, carbon. Carbon, but a titanium valve cover. And we want to thank our good friend Michael Griffin for loaning us his S1000RR to run through with you good people on this whip check. What, did you think I wasn't going to let you hear it?